Hello, guys. I welcome you to Swami Vivekananda and Jordan Peterson Inspiration, Part 4. There's a very important thing that we miss while we are preparing for any examination or while we are going through our life. That we have to only do one thing at a time, and while doing it, we have to pull our whole soul into it to the exclusion of everything else. A very famous story comes in Mahabharata when Dronacharya's son, Guru Dronacharya's son, asks him that why Arjun is the best archer in your eyes. So he naturally takes them for a test in which there is a tree, there is a sparrow there, and he asks everybody, every one of his shishya, to hit it, to take an aim at it actually. So they take an aim and he asks like, what do you see? So everybody says that I see the leaves, I see your feet, I see the tree and the bark. And everybody says, then at last he calls Arjun. Arjun says that I am only seeing the eye of the bird. He says that I cannot see anything else. I can only see the eye of the bird. And then he looks at his son and he says that this is why Arjun is the best. So it's nothing but the old principle which has been expounded by Swamiji, that do one thing at a time while doing it and put your whole soul into the exclusion of everything else. So if you can do that, then what it entails is that you will have first of all is that you will have an aim. Secondary thing is that you will discard all things that are stopping you from reaching it. So you will just discard it and all your focus will be on your aim only. So that gives a naturally increases a lot of chances for you for having success. So exclusion of all else is done, and only the thing is that you put your heart, your mind, your each pore of your being towards the thing that you really want. The second thing that comes is that once we have set an aim, once we have set to the exclusion, we don't have to do it for one day. We have to do it till the goal is reached, right? You can see it here. Till the goal is reached, we have to do it. So let us say that you have chosen a target of IBPS PO and you are going from the belief that, okay, first I might clear clerk or I might clear some RRB examination. Then I'll hit for the PO or RBI grade B examination. Then the first thing that comes that should be in your thing is that it requires an 8-month study time period. Then the next exam will require another 8 months of time. Then maybe I'll marry or maybe I'll have to stay out. Then another time it will require, like before interview, it will require 2 months. So it's a long journey. So whatever you put your heart onto, whatever you put your sights onto, put your heart into it, put your soul into it, put everything and do not stop until the goal is reached. That's a very simple message of Swami Vivekananda. I hope you have a good morning. Thank you very much for listening. This is Rohit Sharma wishing you a very good day.